Identify safety gear or personal protective equipments. PPE. Hello, this is Charumati. Today, let's learn about personal protective equipment PPE, where identify the four basic categories of safety sign, identify the meanings of the safety sign. We also read and interpret different types of personal protective equipment. Personal protective equipment (PPE) refers to equipment or clothing designed to protect individuals from potential hazards, injuries, or health risks in workplace or specific environments.
Safety gear refers to the equipment and protective clothing that people use to minimize the risk of injury or illness in hazardous environments or situations. It protects the user against loud noise. Safety harnesses for working at heights and high visibility clothing for workers in traffic or low light environments are of high importance. The type of safety gear needed will depend on the specific job or activity and the potential hazards involved. Here are some examples of safety gear. Hard hats. These are helmets worn to protect the head from falling objects, electrical hazards, and other potential dangers on construction sites or industrial settings. Safety goggles. These are glasses designed to protect the eyes from debris, chemicals, and other hazards. They are commonly used in construction sites, laboratories, and industrial facilities. Respirators. These are devices that filter out airborne particles and gases, protecting the user's lungs from harmful substances. They are used in situations where there is a risk of inhaling toxic substances, such as in industrial settings, healthcare facilities, or during wildfires. Gloves. These are protective coverings for the hands, used to prevent cuts, burns, and other injuries. Different types of gloves are used depending on the task and the hazard, such as latex gloves for medical procedures, heat-resistant gloves for cooking, or cut-resistant gloves for handling sharp objects. Safety shoes. These are shoes designed to provide protection for the feet in hazardous environments, such as construction sites or industrial facilities. They often have reinforced toe caps, slip-resistant soles, and other features to prevent injuries from falling objects or slippery surfaces. Let's start learning. Personal protective equipment and safety gear are essential for ensuring the safety and well-being of workers in various industries. PPE refers to equipment or clothing specifically designed to protect individuals from potential hazards or risks in the workplace. Here is an overview of different types of PPE and safety gear. Head protection. Hard hats. These protective helmets shield the head from falling objects, impact, or electrical hazards. They often have suspension systems to absorb and distribute the force of impacts. Eye and face protection. Safety glasses. These glasses have impact-resistant lenses and provide protection against debris, chemicals, or hazardous fluids. Face shields. Transparent shields that cover the entire face to protect against flying objects, splashes, or chemical hazards. Hearing protection. Earplugs, inserted into the ear canal to reduce noise levels and protect against hearing damage caused by loud machinery or equipment. Earmuffs, these cover the entire ear and provide a seal to block out noise. Respiratory protection. Disposable masks. These masks protect against airborne particles, dust, or mists and are available in different filtration levels. Half-face or full-face respirators, used in environments with hazardous gases, fumes, or chemicals. They have cartridges or filters to purify the air. Hand protection. Gloves. Various types of gloves are available, such as leather gloves for general protection, chemical-resistant gloves, cut-resistant gloves, or heat-resistant gloves. The choice depends on the specific hazards present. Body protection. High-visibility clothing, worn in environments where visibility is critical, such as construction sites or roadwork areas. Flame-resistant clothing, designed to protect against flames, sparks, or electrical arcs, commonly used in industries like welding or oil refineries. Chemical protective suits. These suits shield the body from hazardous chemicals and are used in chemical handling or spill response situations. Foot protection. Safety boots, reinforced with protective toe caps, composite or steel, to protect against crushing hazards or impacts. They also provide slip resistance and insulation. It's important to note that the selection and use of PPE should be based on a thorough risk assessment of the work environment. Proper training and maintenance of PPE are crucial to ensure its effectiveness. Additionally, following safety protocols, such as regular equipment inspections, proper storage, and adherence to safety guidelines, is essential for maintaining a safe work environment. Remember, PPE should be the last line of defense, and engineering controls and safe work practices should be implemented whenever possible to mitigate hazards in the workplace. Task 1. Safety sign. Note, the instructor may provide various safety signs chart categories and explain their categories and their meaning and description. Ask the trainee to identify the sign and record it in the table. Identify the safety sign from the chart. Record the name of the category in Table 1. Mention the meaning description of the safety sign in Table 1. Get it checked by your instructor. Task 2. Personal protective equipment. Note, the instructor may provide or arrange the different types of personal protection equipment or chart and explain how to identify and select the PPE devices suitable for the work and ask the trainees to write names in the given table. Get it checked by your instructor. Task 3. Note, the instructor may brief the various types of occupational hazards and their causes. Identify the occupational hazard to the corresponding situation with the potential harm given in Table 3. Fill up and get it checked by your instructor. Task 4. PPE instruction and uses. Some cleaning agents are toxic. Refer to the information about handling, use and storage of chemicals that may be hazardous. Follow any recommendations made by the supplier before using it. Do not use flammable cleaners or water on electrical equipment. Make sure designated walkways are kept clear of any obstructions. Always wear protective clothing and the appropriate safety equipment. Make sure that you understand and observe all legislative and personal safety procedures when carrying out the following tasks. If you are unsure of what these procedures are, ask your instructor.
Thus, we have learnt about what are the safety signs and gears, what kind of hazard calls for what kind of action and precaution, how to use PPE for maximum safety. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you.